Good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 3rd subject English. Okay, so lastly we have seen activity number 7 and I told you to write in your book. Right, so I hope that you all have completed it. So let's moving further. This activity 8 and activity 9 no need to write, okay? You just have to read one time at your home. So just we'll start with our activity 10, the dictation word, okay? And one time reading this poem. This poem will not come, okay? This is not important, just for reading practice we are doing this poem. This activity 10, it will not come in exam. Just see here, it will not come in exam, okay? Now, then I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. What the author is wondering? That why grass is green color only? Why it is not other color like pink, yellow? Like why grass is not green only? And why we cannot see the wind? Wind is there no like this in the sky. Why we cannot see wind in the sky? Like that. Who taught the birds to build a nest? Birds is living creature. But who told them to build a nest? Anyone told them? Anyone will give class to them to build a nest? No. Bird will know by himself only how to make nest. Like that author is thinking. How bird will make a nest? Who taught them? And told the tree to take a rest. And tree are standing only na and giving a root. Then the author is thinking that why the grass is green only and why we cannot see the wind. Next what he is thinking that who told birds to build a nest? How birds is making nest? Who told them like this you do, like this you do? Who told them? And next is and the trees to take a rest. Like this he is having question in mind. You also having the children. What is the how birds will make like that? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Then, when we see the moon is not round, full round, it is not like sometimes like this, half moon is there, or sometimes like this. We cannot see the full moon. So what is telling? How when circle is there, then how quiet is where remaining it is. Who paints the rainbow in the sky? Rainbow is of 7 colors. Now see here in the picture. Rainbow is 7 color, right? And hangs the fluffy clouds so high. It's feeling. Would if anyone painter is there going and doing rainbow color? No, it is so natural. It is made by God only. It is given by God. So they are telling how the rainbow is there. Who goes and paint there in your home paint? Some person are coming to paint your home. Color is there. Like this, see here, red color is there. So at your home also color is there. So somebody will come and paint. But in sky, God will only paint. There no one can go, na? Then who told that hangs to fly in the clouds on the sky? So much high cloud is there. What they are telling? Why so much high clouds is there? Who told to hang there? Hang means stick there. Right? So this is the poem given by Jenny Kirby. Okay, like this he is thinking about the how all these things in the world is there. All these things are natural and created by God. Okay, so this is the poem and now we'll start with our dictation word. First write the word wonder. 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 Next is grass. 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 Next is tot. TOUGHT. Tot means I am teaching you English like that. Who taught the birds to build a nest? Who taught? Like that. Tot. TAUGHT. Tot. Okay. The next one is build. 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 B-U-I-L-D, build. Next is trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Then rest. R-E-S-T, rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Next is quiet. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. Next is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Then missing. Missing means something you forgot or where it is. Missing. M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. Okay. Found. F-O-U-N-D, found. F-O-U-N-D, found. Then next is paints. Color doing like paints. P-A-I-N-T-S, paints. P-A-I-N-T-S, paint. So I give you the homework this. Draw the garden of your dreams. So here also you have to paint now. So I hope you all have done this. Right? So paints. Then rainbow. What is the spelling of first? How you have to write rain? Rain spelling is R-A-I-N, rain. Bow. B-O-W, bow. Repeat it. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow. Rainbow. Then hangs. H-A-N-G-S, hangs. H-A-N-G-S, hangs. Then next is fluffy. F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy. F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy. Then clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. You all have seen the clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Next is high. H-I-G-H, high means very high in the sky. H-I-G-H, high. Okay, so up to here, dictation word also over, reading also over. So this chapter whole it is completed. You have to write this dictation word in your book. Okay, then next lecture will start with our healing herbs. Okay, children. So up to now, complete this all these things in rough book, whichever is left by you. Okay. Thank you, children.